I will be doing all of your math lessons for you this week. For those of you that don't remember who I am Mrs. Canarium. So let's get started with our math. Today, if you'll look over here on this other screen with me, you'll see that I have some cubes here. Let's look at my first tower of cubes. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 in that tower. Look at the next tower of cubes. Let's count those. 1, 2, 3. So I have a tower of 7 and a tower of 3. What do you notice about those two towers? Well, hopefully you notice that the tower of 7 is more than the tower of 3. 7 is more than 3. And hopefully you also notice that 3 is less than 7. The number 3 is not as big as the number 7. Let's try some more. At home, if you have some cubes like I have, or if you don't, buttons, coins, rocks, little beads, anything you can use to make a tower with would be great. And if you have some dice, any type of dice, maybe your parents have some dice that go with a game, or maybe you have some dice with one of your games. So if you could run and go get that, if not, no big deal. You can just make up some numbers. So I'm going to roll the dice. And my first one is a 3 that I rolled. Well, we're lucky because I already have a tower of 3. Then I'm going to roll again. And how many did I get this time? Well, hopefully you recognize that as 6. 3 and 3 make 6. So I'm going to take my tower here. I'm going to take one off because we had 7. If I take one away, it would be 6. Now look at my two towers. I have a tower of 6 and I have a tower of 3. I can tell already which one is more. Which one do you think is more? Hopefully you said the tower of 6 is more. Which one is less? Not as many. 3. 3 is less than 6. All right, boys and girls. What I want you to do is I have attached your math paper for today. If you are able to print this out at home, I'd like for you to complete it. What you're going to do on the top is look at the number that's on the die, color in that many, and then look at the bottom, see how many's on that die, color in that many, and then you're going to write down the number that is more than the next number. And then on the bottom, you're going to do the opposite. Instead of which one is more, you're going to do which one is less. If you cannot print this paper out, that is fine. You can just continue practicing on. If you have dice at home, rolling the dice and making different towers and talking about which one is more and which one is less. Remember, usually the one that is more is longer than the one that is less. And the one that is less is usually shorter than the one that is longer. I will see you again tomorrow, Commodore friends. If you have any questions, reach out to your teacher. Bye-bye.